Looks like we just have 2 bedrooms up here. Oh, look at that. This is a good sized room. We got the ceiling issue going on. There's probably wood under this carpet, but we got that shake you get, which is going to be needing to be shored up downstairs a little bit. Maybe run a beam. We got cobwebs. This is a good sized room. I'm worried about the 2 bedrooms though. I'd like to get 3. And bathroom's an okay size. And we've got another, this is okay. But we're not getting our spot for a 3rd bedroom. My initial thought is that this is a no-go. I usually like to always have a 3 bedroom house. Impossible to sell a 2 bedroom around here, and there's no way to really reconfigure this space to come up with a 3rd. This room here is a little too small. Yeah, we can't really make that into anything. So I think this will be a no as well. Not doing too good today. Some days are like that. I'll just sit tight, see what else comes up on the market. New stuff comes up all the time.